Hey there people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to clear watch history on YouTube. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube application. Then head over to your account or your profile icon. And then go to the Google account option. Then search for YouTube history. Once you get into it, scroll down and go to manage history, and here you will see your all sort of YouTube history you want to see. There can be your watch history or your search history, anything. So as we want to clear our watch history on YouTube, so click on, here you will see the delete drop down box. Click on the delete and you will get three options. One is delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. Delete today means you will be able to delete the watch history of today's, and if you want to delete of a selective range, like from 2 May to 3 May or 2 May to 11 May, then you can also select custom range. And if you want to delete all of the watch history on your YouTube, you can just select delete all time. So as I want to delete for my now, I want to delete for today, so I am just clicking on delete today. Once I've clicked it, you can see the deletion is complete and the activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So yeah, just click on got it and it's deleted. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.